Hello guys, good morning at good evening po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Ankim and Kath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Para updated kayo sa aking mga videos, don't forget to hit the notification button, like, share, and subscribe. Hi and welcome everyone. Today's video is gonna be about easy, healthy, and delicious egg cheese French toast recipe. Egg cheese bread toast can be prepared very quickly. It's very tasteful breakfast or even snack made with simple ingredients in 10 minutes. I absolutely love enjoying French toast with warm coffee or milk tea, as a pair goes so well together. It's truly the best morning breakfast or afternoon snack. Here are the step-by-step instructions on how to make egg cheese French toast. So, wag po kayong aalis dyan dahil sasamahan nyo ako sa aking pagluluto. Thank you so much sa suporta! Thank you for taking time to watch. I hope you have fun making it. See you on my next recipe. The complete list of this recipe is in the description below. And if you like my recipe, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification. Thank you all. God bless everyone. Bye.